everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I have a scrub review for you guys, and this specifically will be on these scrubs from Janu. I have actually been working with them for over 4 years now, and they are one of my absolute favorite scrub brands, and I figured that I would come on here and share all the different features their scrubs offer, and just share how great their scrubs are. I will have both of the scrubs that I will be mentioning in this video listed down below for you guys, so that if you guys are interested in purchasing them, you can go ahead and do so. And I don't want to ramble on because I have a lot to say in this video, so let's go ahead and get started. Before I actually start reviewing these, I do want to go over a few things about the company. First off, this is a company that was founded by Dr. Neela, and she is a pediatrician, and this means that it is a company for healthcare workers by healthcare workers. And what's great about that is that it's not some random founders who decided one day they were just going to make scrubs for people in healthcare, even if the founder themselves wasn't working in healthcare. Since it was founded by someone who actually works in healthcare, their scrubs and all their features are constantly changing, just like healthcare itself is changing. And another one of my favorite parts about this company overall is they are super size inclusive, which I will talk more about in a few minutes. Moving on to the specifics about this particular pair of scrubs. This is their newly released color. It is in the color Heather Gray. The top I'm wearing is the women's V-neck 3-pocket top, which is available in 10 different colors. And the bottoms are the women's essential drawstring pant, which comes in 11 different colors. As for the fabric of these scrubs, they have recently changed it, and I absolutely love the way it feels. It is buttery soft. It is super lightweight. You can move around without feeling restricted in any way, shape, or form. And it is their new revolutionary woven fabric, which they have named Fuserix. I actually have the specifics in front of me for the percentages of what is in it for fabric. So they are 76% polyester, 18% rayon, and 6% spandex. They are also wrinkle resistant and fade resistant. They are treated with something called Silvadur, which gives them an antimicrobial finish. They also have great moisture wicking properties. I don't know if it's just me. I'm sure a lot of other people have this issue too, but sometimes the office gets really hot and I tend to have really sweaty underarms, and when that happens, I don't have to worry about sweat stains or anything like that on these scrubs because it never shows. And another one of my favorites is that they can be machine washed and tumble dried. Most of the time I wash my scrubs as normal, however I usually hang them to dry. However, these ones are ones that I put in the dryer because they say that you can, and because I know there's no cotton in them, so they won't shrink. Now I'm going to move on and talk about the fit. These have a 4-way stretch to them, which 99% of my scrubs I buy, I specifically look on the tags for 4-way stretch because they're going to be the most comfortable. So I can move any which way I want, and I do not feel restricted in any way, shape, or form. And I absolutely love that they have such a relaxed fit that you can comfortably wear them throughout the entire day. Like I had mentioned earlier, Janu is also a really size inclusive company, and they offer sizes extra small all the way up to a 3X. And on top of that, they also offer petite, regular, and tall, which for people like me is great because I'm short. I am 5'3", so I always order the petites, and they are the absolute perfect length for me because if I go ahead and order regular scrubs, I always have to find someone who can hem them up for me, or else they'll be dragging on the ground. I also want to talk about some of the specifics about this particular top. Something really neat about this one is that it has a hidden loop for you to put your badge on. And next to that loop, there is a little positive quote, and it just says "with purpose," and I absolutely love that it goes in the direction that you can read it when you flip it up. So when I go ahead and flip it up like this, you can see that it says "with purpose," and it is facing me so that I can read it. And this right here is just the little loop I was talking about that your badge can easily clip onto in case you don't want to clip it to the neckline or anything. And this particular top has 3 pockets. One is just a chest pocket and is clearly visible, and then the other two pockets are both hidden, and there's one on each side. And I think the only negative thing I could ever really say about these scrubs is that I do not like the two hidden pockets. I am definitely someone who prefers pockets that are more like the chest one, where it is open on top and things sit inside of it, but that is literally my only complaint about these scrubs. Moving on to my specifics about the bottoms, I absolutely love that they are a stretchy waist with a drawstring. If you've been watching my channel and have seen any of my other past scrub videos, you guys know that I have had my gallbladder out and my appendix out, and I do have 2 scars in my abdominal region, and I cannot stand when scrubs or pants in general rub against these scars. So I always tend to go with something with a really stretchy waist. However, if you just go ahead and get stretchy waist pants, 9 times out of 10 they are gonna be too loose. Or at least that's what it is in my case. So I absolutely love scrubs that have the drawstring, and I really like these ones in particular too, because the drawstring is actually hidden on the inside, which is nice. And let me tell you, this drawstring can tie pretty tight. The scrub pants I got are actually a little too big for me. However, it really doesn't matter because it has a drawstring, which means I can tighten it to fit around my waist. Like the top, this pair of pants has 2 hidden pockets on the side. However, I do not have any complaints about these because they are a little more deep than the ones on the top. And like most other pairs of scrubs, these pants have 2 pockets on the butt. And like the top, the bottoms also have a secret pocket right here. It is just this little square mesh pocket with a fold over top. And this is a tiny little pocket for you to place your rings in so they do not get lost. I personally don't wear jewelry other than this bracelet because I've had this bracelet on for 3 years, and the only time I've ever taken it off was when I had my gallbladder out because I was required to. But other than that, I do not wear jewelry. So an overall summary is that I 150% recommend JNU scrubs without a doubt. I absolutely love that they are constantly changing the design and fit of their scrubs and working on ways to improve them. Not to mention, they have to have 30 plus different styles of scrubs. They have ones that look like leggings, they have ones that button and zip like regular pants, and so much more. I think that's all I have to say about these scrubs. If you guys have any questions about them, let me know down below and I will do my best to answer them. And if I can't answer them personally, I will reach out to someone at JNU who actually can. So those are just my thoughts and my full honest review on JNU scrubs. I absolutely love them. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I have been working with them and using their scrubs for 4 years now, and I can still wear my scrubs from 4 years ago and they still look brand new. That's how good of quality their scrubs are. If you guys liked this video and would like to see more like it, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell if you have not already so you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!